Hello mga guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is me, Justin Reyes Vlog again, na nagsasabing enjoy life as always. For today's video guys, ay pupunta po tayo sa Modon Lake, kung saan natin i-discover ang Modon Lake. Sorry guys!
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to.
Hello Abud, how are you?
Hi.
Actually, we're here in Modon Lake, so discover namin So, let's find out paano po talaga ang Modon Lake. Diba, Abot? What can you say?
It's good. We have pictures of
Yes, it's a lake actually. And
company.
yeah, there's a company. But there's a Modon Lake. A playground. It's a playground. Diba? Amazing. Actually guys, marami po dito mga pumupunta ng mga family. Before, how many years ago, I'm with my friends here na meron talaga siyang bridge dito. Ayun. It's relaxing place. Kung ayaw nyo po ng magulong buhay, dito lang po kayo. So, may nakalagay is no swimming, no fishing. There in Modon Lake. So guys, here now, ang inside ng Modon Lake. Makikita niyo po guys, na talagang amazing place. And of course, napaka-quiet, relaxing. Kung gusto niyo po na walang gulo, dito lang kayo kasi matahimik ang buhay. So guys, yun nga po guys, nakita ko na po yung bridge. Kasi 2010 ako huling nagpunta dito kasama aking mga kaibigan. Ayun po yung bridge. Pupuntahan po natin yun doon. Kasi napakagandang na mag-across ka lang doon sa isang area doon. Diba? Amazing! Diba? So yan na po muna ang for today's video ko. And soon, we'll discover about Saudi Arabia. So, see you! Actually guys, there's a lot of other nationality here also na talagang nag-relax dito sa area na to. Kasi makikita nyo naman, diba, napaka-relaxing ng area, tahimik, and no wonders na talagang perfect siya kung halimbawa kayo gusto nyo mapag-isa, relaxing and refreshing moment, diba? So masaya dito. Nakalagay lang po dito is no swimming, no fishing dito sa area ng Modon Lake kasi diba, for the privacy and you know, and for the safetyness of everybody, diba? So pero guys, kung halimbawa pinaganda pa nila, pinaganda dito, magiging tourist spot din to in the future. Kasi napakaganda ng place. Makikita mo highway doon. Papunta doon sa may Azizia area. Papunta sa may Half Moon actually. Magandang place, di ba? Abot. The place is good, right? Not all the area. But there's too much people here, no?
For the company.
For the company. So they sleep here, no?
You can sleep here.
Actually, malapit siya sa sa area ng mga nagtatrabaho dito. Na there's a lot of company na dito sa Saudi Arabia. So meaning, ang iba dito ay dito na lang po sa area dito natutulog kasi parang nasa accommodation nila. Pero ito naman, napakaganda ng sunset, di ba? Kasi taglubog na ng sun kasi maggagabi na. Actually, napakaganda ng area. Banda doon, makikita mo yung highway going to Al-Hasa and going to the Dammam area. So, inikat lang po namin dito ni Apo dito kasi maganda. Ayun. Kasi namin dito, talagang perfect ang place. Actually, paikot-ikot lang dito yung area. Nandun kami kanina sa may bridge. Diba? Ayun o, may mga sasakyan dito sa labas. Doon banda. Perfect. For me, is a yes. Napakaganda ng aming gala today. So, discover lang muna natin to you guys kasi maggagabi na. See you. But oh guys, thank you for watching in this me Justin Reyes vlog na nagsasabing enjoy as always. So for today's video, yun lang po muna ang travel vlog natin here in Modunde. Na-discover natin dito here in Dammam area, Saudi Arabia. So see you to my next vlog and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and see you. Bye bye! So guys, for today's video, that's all for today's video lang. Bye bye!